Hey guys, X Reflection back again with another unboxing. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. Recently, Best Buy had the LG Ultrawide monitor, the 29UM58 on sale. I managed to get it open box, but I actually got that last week, and it didn't have styrofoam in it. Monitor had been smacking around, basically had issues with it. Went to Best Buy to exchange it today, managed to exchange it for a brand new inbox. So I'm going to do a proper unboxing of this monitor. But this is the, as I mentioned, the 29UM58 by LG. It's an ultrawide monitor. Basically you have two like 17, 18-inch monitors kind of like merged together into a single monitor. The resolution is 2560 by 1080 or something like that. But you basically have two 1080p monitors smacked together. Having used the other one that I got already, it's definitely a pleasure to use. It's definitely really great for productivity. I really like it. I still keep one of the monitors from my monitor setup, and basically have three monitors. It's pretty awesome. So this one obviously is properly packed. So as you can see, there's styrofoam on the inside, just like every packed monitor should be. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and we'll see what we got. So the pulled out. Okay, didn't mean to pull it out like that, but it yanked out itself. Cable box. Stand thingy. Let's just get this so that it's not facing down. Pull that out, stick that back in there. And so this is what you get in the box. So obviously you get the monitor itself. Got a stand, the parts for the stand. I'm going to be mounting mine on an arm, so I will be using this. It comes with let's see, monitor driver, the installation guide, blah blah, some paperwork stuff. In here you have the HDMI cable. So this computer, or this monitor, only has two HDMI and maybe one display port. No DVI, no VGA. Power adapter, and I'm not sure what this is. Yeah, I'm honestly not sure what this is. I think it's something to do with the stand. That's that. And on here, as you can see, I don't know if you can basically see that, but the instruction manual kind of shows the different models. So the one that I got is the 29UM58. So it shows you the stuff that you should be getting with it. So you have the stand parts, the two screws for the stand, and it's also VESA compatible. Although I guess that's more for the 34-inch. But this does have a VESA mount on the back. Somehow this CD came out. So there's that. There's two screws for the stand, HDMI cable. Go ahead and pull the monitor out. The bezels on this monitor are very thin. So basically, the monitor is in much better condition than the one that I got open box. The panel is not loose, which is good. The bezel is actually attached for the most part. I guess this middle part is a little bit bulging out, but I think the important part is the panel is okay. So I stand corrected. So this only has two HDMI outputs. So let me see if I can rotate this without dropping the monitor. So 2 HDMI, power, or 3.5mm out, and the power adapter slot. And there's really not much else to it. Pretty simplistic on the back. And then here you can see the holes for VESA mount. I think it's VESA 75. And that's pretty much it. You can see that bezels are very thin, which is really nice. It's a fairly large monitor, 29 inches across. Looks like 28.7 inches. It's an IPS panel. It's got really good color reproduction. When I used it, it's very vibrant, has good viewing angles. Actually, let's set it up on the stand. I'll hook up my razor blade to it, just so you guys can see how the stand works. So there's this part that goes into the back of the monitor. I'll flip this over. Right there's a stand part. This plastic, like so. And there's 2 screws that go into this. I'm going to get my screwdriver for this. These just screw in like so. As you can see here, stand inserts into this little pronged area in the back, and then there are 2 screws that go here, and then you have the stand itself, which you just insert this part into, and then on the bottom of the stand you have a screw that you tighten to make sure that the stand does not come apart from the monitor, and that just hand tightens. So there's that. Let's get the HDMI cable, knife. Razor blade has 1 HDMI output, just for those of you who are wondering. Let's put this into HDMI 1, and then get the power adapter, and we'll plug this stuff in. The razor blade has been treating me well. For those of you who are wondering, you can check out my unboxing. I think it was the last video I uploaded. Battery life leaves a little bit to be desired, but other than that, it's been great. And right now, I believe it's on. On setting to clone the desktop, so I can go ahead and set it to that's extend the desktop so that there's a extra thing, or basically a full. So that's pretty much it. So the monitor is great color reproduction and everything. It's really wide, lots of room to do stuff on. But that pretty much does it for the unboxing. The LG 29UM58 ultra-wide monitor, 21:9 resolution. Catch you guys in the next unboxing. Peace!